Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel BeginnerToDeveloper. Have you ever wanted to build your own simple website? Today we are going to do just that. We are going to create this dad joke generator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It's super beginner friendly, and by the end of this series you will have a working web project. Okay, first things first, let's set up our project files. You will need 3 files: index.html, style CSS and script.js. We start with our basic HTML boilerplate. We will link our CSS file right here in the head section, so our style load later. We start by creating a main division, a container, and we assign it a class of container so we can easily style it later with CSS. Inside this container we are going to add our main title, a heading that says Dad Joke Generator. Next, we'll put in a paragraph element with the ID joke element that initially reads, click the button below for a laugh. Finally, still within the container, we will add a clickable button giving it the ID joke button and the text get new joke. That completes our HTML file for now. In the next video, we will move on the styling everything using the style CSS file.